Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing choices and gathering essentials. You want a species that matches your climate. Hardiness matters. Once done, decide ground versus container. Containers let you control soil and drainage, which matters for beginners. Make sure the plant you buy is juvenile and healthy, 2 to 4 firm fronds, no soft base or spots. Buy 15 to 45-gallon pot if container planting. Pack a mix of loam, sand, and organic matter for fast drainage. This step sets you up for success. You now plant and initiate care. Dig a hole twice the root ball width, but keep the root flare level with the soil surface. Planting too deep causes rot. Mix native soil with 10 to 20% coarse sand or perlite for drainage. Once planted, water thoroughly to settle roots, then allow the top inch to dry before the next watering. Mulch 2 to 3 inches away from the trunk to conserve moisture, and stake loosely only if winds will tip the palm. Roots establish better without heavy staking. You finish by establishing a maintenance routine and one key troubleshooting tip. Feed your palm 3 times per year with a palm-specific fertilizer that includes magnesium and manganese. You want slow-release NPK plus micros. Prune only dead fronds. Cutting green fronds reduces photosynthesis and weakens the tree. Monitor pests and fungal signs weekly and act promptly. When you see scale or brown spots, isolate affected plants and apply labeled miticide or fungicide. If yellowing
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.